Hey beauties, Andrea. So this is going to be a review on the MAUI Moisture Thicken and Restore Plus Bamboo Fiber Shampoo, Conditioner, and what is this? Blowout Mist. Also do have a styling product, which is the MAUI Moisture Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick curly hair. I picked up the styling product because I am doing a routine with this, a curly hair routine. Wash and go. I wanted a product and I couldn't find one from the Thicken and Restore line. This is what they look like. They look like a vegan product. They look like vegan juice, vegan drink. So please do not eat this, do not drink this. It's gonna make you want to try it out. Like, do I want to be a vegan? Yeah, it's gonna make you want to be a vegan for a second. So these products emphasize on being made with 100% aloe juice, and aloe juice being the first ingredient, which you know, the first ingredient is what a product has the most of. So they do emphasize on that aloe juice. The one thing I didn't like is the fact that the packages look exactly alike, so I had a hard time finding out which one was the conditioner and the shampoo while I was washing my hair. When you're washing with the shampoo, it's a cream, a light white cream, and it smells just like a plant juice. So if you don't feel like you don't eat fried chicken every day, this is the shampoo to go with. So you can easily go to the gym once a week and wash your hands with this MAUI shampoo after eating a junk food all week, and you're good to go. Shampoo really cleaned my hair. It was really good. Smelled amazing. It was a very good experience in the shower. The ingredients are very similar to a lot of other natural hair products ingredients, so there wasn't really anything that like was really alarming to me. The conditioner was a very soft cream. It reminds me of a lot of different other conditioner. What do you expect conditioner to be? Soft cream. A little bit, it does go a long way. These are 13 fluid ounce, and it detangled my hair very good. It made my hair really soft. Hair soft to the point that it could be used as a 3-minute deep conditioner. So 2-in-1, I guess. But it was a very good conditioner. It detangled my hair very good. Experience in the shower was really good. Some sweet almond oil, because I realized oils are amazing. My hair feels so soft. Don't forget to focus on your dry areas. In my case is my crown, which is the driest, and my ends. Coconut oil curl smoothie. This is for thick curly hair, it says at the bottom. Cream, a very soft cream. See? Are you breaking it through? Let's go back. My hair is curly, wet. You know, some products you might have problems with the hair absorbing it. This one coats the hair very well. I'm gonna twirl the front once I do the other side to how I want it to dry once my hair is dry. Okay, I'm gonna twirl the front pieces a little bit to help the definition in the front. So this is how I achieved what you saw in the introduction. That's why it's wet. It looks very promising. Well, we'll see. Alright, so now that my hair is dry, I let it air dry. It dried pretty fast, but it was pretty good. So let's see the results. As you can see, just style my hair with some oil for the base and the smoothie. I also have the aloe juice and water for the first ingredient, which is always good to have the best ingredient and water as the first. This was supposed to hydrate, smooth, and defrizz. Okay, it did hydrate. Of course, kind of looks smooth. And the defrizzing part of it, yes. As you can see, when a cream, this is like a cream, right? When a smoothie, I guess, but it feels like a cream. When a cream gives you great hold and definition, that's when that cream is banging. You know you have, if you have curly hair or textured hair or hair that's coily, you know when a cream delivers what a gel's supposed to deliver, or just moisture and hold without like the hard cast, you know that's a bomb cream. So this was really good. Is it 100% how I like it? No. Would I keep using it? Yes. It's something that I really liked. So you can see I still have a little bit of frizz, but it's so little. And I'm gonna turn around. It's so not important to me, this little frizz, that I like it. It's a yes, I like it. Remember, I use this as a styling product, mainly the styling product, right? It is the product that I got in my hair in sections to apply, so yes! It's rich in coconut oil, creamy papaya butter, and wholesome plumeria extract, which I have no idea what that is, and of course it's silicone free. papaya. I say papaya with my Cape Verdean accent because singing my language. Papaya, papaya. Is it a difference? Papaya, papaya. It's the same thing. As for the Thicken and Restore Plus Bamboo Fiber Shampoo and Conditioner, this of course is for weak and brittle hair. It says right there on the front. And this is supposed to densify, revive, and strengthen your hair. Conditioner is great. Yes, if you want to invest in anything when it comes to the green stuff between the conditioner and shampoo, the conditioner is really, really good. It detangles really, really good. And I actually had a lot of people say that the conditioner is so amazing that they buy it to leave it in their hair as a leave-in. So yeah. The Bamboo Fibers Blowout Mist. It smells like juice. They all smell like a plant. Well, the plant juice, the aloe. An amazing fresh smell. Why don't we go ahead and blow out my hair, right? So right here, my hair already had the spray in and heat protectant. It was already dry because I put it in a braid before bed. Took it off and started blow drying it. And after it was all done, this is the result. It made my hair really flowy and really light. I'm not into that. So if you like that, you can like the spray. But for me, not much. We're back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Check more information about the MAUI products down below. And don't forget to thumbs up and bye.